Fucking slow as shit, man. What's the land speed up? Oh, what an absolutely friggin' miserable day. Ready. I wanted to actually clean my bike properly, but with all this rain, I mean, well, it'll be alright, but I need some ACF 50, I need to buy some. But I ain't got any money till payday. If anyone would be so kind to donate to ACF 50, you can reach me on my email, which is StuffedScram@gmail.com. If you're willing to donate a poor soul some ACF 50 to keep this beautiful, beautiful bike clean. I just forked out a load of money to buy it. Oh, fucking hell, put your lights on, son. That is very hard to see. I don't know why people drive like that, just leave their lights off. The lights work, so why can't you put them on? Fucking, oh my god. Oh. Still time to make it to work. Come on, man. Oh, not gonna lie, I do love the big tyres. It's a 110 on the front, believe it or not. Just I believe the width of it is 90, which is pretty much similar to the back, except, no, sorry, the back is 10 less, but it's a 180 on the back. Fucking busy for Saturday. Oh, come on. I ain't got time to pull out and I want to rag it. Please don't cut me off. Please don't cut me off. Always check for there, because they always like to cut you off. Fucking get from my arse, you cunt. Jesus fuck me. Oh. That was close. Fucking lights on, Jesus Christ, put your lights on, you fucking moron. Oh look, they put their lights on. They read my thoughts. I hope they fucking hear me and all.